कक्षा पंचमी विषयः संस्कृतम्. Dear students, we have discussed the second chapter of your reader book Mama Parivarah. Today we will discuss the exercises related to this chapter. You turn your books page number 8. Question number 1. अधोलिखितानि रिक्तस्थानानि पूरयन्तु. Fill in the blanks given below. You can see two pictures have been given together. One belongs to a male person and another belongs to a female. The question is, एषः कः अस्ति?
एषः पुरुषः अस्ति.
So what has been left blank for you?
एषः.
Next, एषा का अस्ति?
एषा महिला अस्ति.
Here what has been left blank?
एषा.
If both the words एषः and एषा mean as the same, this is a male person and this is a female person. So both the words एषः and एषा, they mean as the same this. Then what is the difference between these two words एषः and एषा? Do you know?
No.
Okay. Let me elaborate. What is the difference between these two words एषः and एषा? So now let us write एषः पुरुषः अस्ति, एषा महिला अस्ति. This is a male person and this is a female person. Then what is the difference between these two words एषः and एषा? Both these words mean as the same this, but एषः, you could see that एषः has been used for the male person and एषा has been used for the female person. Then it is clear that in masculine gender you have to write एषः and in feminine gender you have to write एषा. Both एषः and एषा mean this, but एषः is used for male person and एषा is used for female person. Similarly, come to the next question. एषः कः अस्ति?
एषः चिकित्सकः अस्ति.
एषः चिकित्सकः अस्ति. So what you have to write here?
एषः.
एषः. So the blank is to be filled in by the word that is एषः. Then एषा का अस्ति?
एषा चिकित्सिका अस्ति.
चिकित्सिका अस्ति. So what word only you have to write?
एषा.
एषा. So is it clear?
Yes.
For चिकित्सकः you told एषः and for चिकित्सिका you told एषा. It means एषः is used for male person and ऐसा is used for
female.
let us come to the next question. एषः कः अस्ति?
एषः नर्तकः अस्ति.
वेरी गुड. एषा का अस्ति?
एषा
नर्तकी अस्ति. वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट. एषः कः अस्ति?
एषः अध्यापकः अस्ति.
एषा का अस्ति?
एषा अध्यापिका अस्ति.
Very good. It means always you have to remember that एषः will be used only in the case of masculine gender and ऐसा is to be used only in the case of feminine gender. Is it okay?
Yes.
Thank you. Now question number 2. चित्राणि दृष्ट्वा रिक्तस्थानानि पूरयन्तु. Fill in the blanks after looking at the picture carefully. You can see here in this picture a boy is writing. The question is that एषः कः अस्ति? What will be the answer?
एषः लेखकः अस्ति.
Very good. So to get this answer, एषः लेखकः अस्ति, how can you ask?
कः.
कः. Very good. So you have to ask एषः कः अस्ति. By the word कः, you can ask to get this answer that एषः लेखकः अस्ति. Okay?
Yes.
Then लेखकः किं करोति?
लेखकः लिखति.
Very good. कः लिखति?
लेखकः.
लेखकः. Similarly, in the next question, एषा का अस्ति?
एषा महिला अस्ति.
Very good. महिला किं करोति?
महिला पचति.
Very good. Next is एतत् किमस्ति?
एतत् फलमस्ति.
So to get the answer that एतत् फलमस्ति, you have to ask एतत् किमस्ति. What you have to ask?
किम्.
किम. Very good. Then now, किम फलं पतति?
आम फलं पतति.
आम फलं पतति. क्या फल गिरता है? Yes, फल गिरता है. The fruit is falling down. Okay?
Yes.
Now, एषः कः अस्ति?
एषः सैनिकः अस्ति.
Very good. सैनिकः किं करोति?
सैनिकः देशं रक्षति.
Very good. Question number 3. चित्रे किं किम् अस्ति इति वदन्तु लिखन्तु च. Now you have to look at the picture carefully. Many things have been given in this picture that are available at your home. You go through them very carefully and then you have to write what things are there given in the picture. You just write their names that has been given in Sanskrit. Okay?
Yes.
Now, simply I shall ask the names of the things that are given here in this picture in English, and by reading out the names that have been given with the picture in Sanskrit, you have to name them. Okay?
Yes.
So let us start. Fan.
व्यजनं.
Good. Picture.
चित्रं.
Lamp.
दीपकः.
Good. Clothes.
वस्त्रं.
mirror,
दर्पणः,
very good. Fire,
अग्निः,
books,
पुस्तकं,
ball,
कन्दुकं,
door,
द्वारं,
good. Now pen,
लेखनी,
spoon,
चमसः,
ornaments,
भूषणं,
bhushanam, watch,
घटिका,
and then a picture.
घटः,
Very good. One thing has been left. What is that? Shoes.
पादत्राणं,
Very good. Now you have to write किं भवतः भवत्याः गृहे अस्ति नास्ति इति लिखन्तु. Which things are available at your home? You have to respond the question either with yes or with no. Asti or nasti. If it is available at your home, then you will say asti, otherwise nasti. Okay? किं भवत्याः गृहे लेखनी अस्ति,
अस्ति,
घटी,
अस्ति,
द्वारम् अस्ति,
अस्ति,
चित्रम् अस्ति,
अस्ति,
दर्पणः अस्ति,
अस्ति,
पादत्राणम् अस्ति.
अस्ति.
Very good. So no question is there. What should be responded as nasti? That means everything asked in this question is available at your home. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Now, question number 5. Namani likhata. You have to name the things what have been given here. Can you do this question as your homework?
Yes.
Yes. Thank you. So this question remained for your homework, and this much for today. Thank you.